The world is chaotic due to a combination of human nature and external factors. Human beings are inherently flawed and prone to selfishness, greed, and irrationality. These negative traits can lead to destructive behaviors such as aggression, violence, and deception. Additionally, various social, political, and economic systems can exacerbate these tendencies, creating an environment ripe for chaos. To overcome the chaos in the world, individuals must strive to overcome their base instincts and work towards cooperation, empathy, and understanding. This requires a conscious effort to cultivate positive traits such as compassion, integrity, and selflessness. Additionally, creating and maintaining strong social structures based on justice, equality, and mutual respect can help to mitigate the negative effects of human nature. Furthermore, education and awareness can play a crucial role in overcoming chaos by promoting critical thinking, communication skills, and conflict resolution techniques. Individuals can learn to navigate the complexities of the world in a more constructive and harmonious manner. Encouraging a culture of open-mindedness, tolerance, and diversity can also help to foster a more peaceful and orderly society. Ultimately, overcoming chaos in the world requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and institutions. By recognizing and addressing the root causes of human toxic behaviors, we can work towards creating a more just, peaceful, and sustainable world for future generations. Individuals can work together to create a more harmonious world by fostering a sense of community, empathy, and cooperation. Here are some ways in which individuals can collaborate towards this goal. Promote empathy and understanding, encourage open communication and active listening to understand other perspectives and experiences. Empathy helps build connections and bridges gaps between people. Practice tolerance and acceptance, embrace diversity and differences among individuals, respect others' beliefs, traditions, and backgrounds, and be willing to learn from them. Collaborate on common goals, identify shared objectives, and work together towards achieving them. Collaborative efforts promote unity and solidarity among individuals. Support and help one another, offer assistance, kindness, and support to those in need. Small acts of kindness can make a significant difference in someone's life and foster a sense of community. Engage in constructive dialogue, engage in meaningful conversations with others, even when there are disagreements. Respectful and open dialogue can lead to mutual understanding and conflict resolution. Participate in community initiatives, get involved in local community projects, events, or organizations that promote unity, diversity, and social cohesion. By working together on common causes, individuals can create a more connected and harmonious society. Advocate for social justice and equality, stand up against discrimination, injustice, and inequality. Work towards creating a fair and inclusive society where everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Promote peace and nonviolence, resolve conflicts peacefully, and advocate for nonviolent solutions to disputes. By promoting a culture of peace, individuals can contribute to a more harmonious and secure world. Educate and raise awareness, share knowledge, information, and resources to raise awareness about important social issues and promote positive change. Education is key to empowering individuals to make a meaningful impact on the world around them. Lead by example, be a role model for others by embodying values such as integrity, compassion, and respect in your actions and interactions with others. Inspire positive change through your own behaviors and attitudes. By working together and taking proactive steps to promote understanding, empathy, and cooperation, individuals can contribute to creating a more harmonious and inclusive world. Building strong connections, fostering a culture of mutual respect, and advocating for positive change are essential elements in creating a more peaceful and united global community. educating others and raising awareness about important social issues can have a significant and positive impact on our world. Here are some reasons why education and awareness are crucial for positive change. Empowerment. Education empowers individuals to make informed decisions and take action on social issues. When people are aware of key challenges facing society, they are better equipped to advocate for change and contribute to solutions. Promoting understanding. Education fosters understanding and empathy by providing insights into various social issues, perspectives, and experiences. This can help bridge divides and promote unity among communities. Advocacy and activism. Raising awareness about social issues can inspire people to become advocates and activists for change. By shedding light on injustices and inequalities, individuals can mobilize others to take a stand and work towards solutions. Policy change. Educating the public about social issues can influence policymakers and lawmakers to enact meaningful change. Public awareness and pressure can drive policy reforms that address systemic problems and improve the well-being of society. Prevention and intervention. Increased awareness about issues such as mental health, domestic violence, or environmental degradation can lead to early prevention and intervention strategies. By recognizing warning signs and red flags, individuals can take proactive steps to address these challenges before they escalate. Building support networks. Education and awareness initiatives create opportunities for individuals to connect with like-minded individuals and form support networks. By coming together around common causes, people can amplify their impact and create a sense of solidarity. Breaking stigmas. Educating others about sensitive topics like mental health, addiction, or discrimination can help break down stigmas and misconceptions. By raising awareness and promoting open discussions, we can create a more inclusive and supportive environment for those affected by these issues. Inspiring change. Awareness campaigns, educational programs, and advocacy efforts can inspire individuals to rethink their behaviors, beliefs, and attitudes. By challenging the status quo and offering new perspectives, we can lay the groundwork for positive societal change. Global impact. Education and awareness initiatives can have a ripple effect beyond local communities, reaching a global audience through social media, online platforms, and international networks. This wide-reaching impact can amplify the message and drive collective action on a larger scale. Long-term sustainability. By educating future generations about important social issues, we can cultivate a culture of social responsibility, compassion, and activism. This long-term investment in education and awareness can create a more sustainable and equitable world for generations to come. In conclusion, educating others and raising awareness about important social issues are essential components of creating positive change in our world by empowering individuals, fostering understanding, driving advocacy efforts, influencing policy reforms, and inspiring collective action. Education and awareness can catalyze transformative progress towards a more just, inclusive, and sustainable future. In summary, education and awareness are vital tools in fostering a society that's empowered, understanding, and proactive. By educating ourselves and others about social issues, we can collectively work towards creating a better world for all of us. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video insightful or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, knowledge is power. Until next time.